Mihango ya MICEMANIO ya maabithaa a UGITIRI hamwe na muingi iratwarithio na mbere ni Ministry ya UGITIRI wa THIINI itafanĩirio mwena wa OLKALOU kaunti-ini ya NYANDARUA igitongorio ni Minista Kipchumba Murkomen uria akumagaritio ni gavana wa NYANDARUA KWARIRA. Muingi uria gwikinyetie mucemanio-ini uyu ni ugeire na mweke wa kwiturura muno makiria maundu-ini megie WUICI wa MAHIU amu niguo ukoretwo uri thina munene uria ugomeire arimi a matura matiganite kuria Minista Murkomen augite mitego ya maabithaa a UGITIRI ni hotete kunyita amwe ae kwirwo bara-ini ya kuhurana na wikinaĩ uyu.
I was told graphically that since NYANDARUA is very cold, when people go to sleep, they really go to sleep. And so thieves know. Because, you know, people who steal from you, they don't come from very far. They have scanned the environment, they have understood, and they usually come and steal.
Apart from maybe people not understanding where to place the animals, there was also the issue of some characters who are government workers colluding with the people. And after we consulted with the security team, some of those fellows were removed from here, and immediately they were removed, things changed.
Murkomen ereire maabithaa ya THIRIKARI iri mihango-ini ya kugura ngari ingi iria makuheo niguo mahote kugacirithia utungata wao kuri muingi, akiongerera kuga mari mubango-ini wa kuongerera macibo matura-ini.
We are seeking for budgetary allocation to operationalize the administrative units that were recently gazetted, and some of them are not too recent. Some were gazetted in 2017 and yet to be operationalized up to now. We are working together. This is a very sticking issue even for the members of parliament, and we are working with them. We have suggested that the next supplementary budget, we could have additional resources, we should be able to operationalize a number of them.
Uhoro-ini wigie njuragano iria ikoretwo ikirongoreria atumia kaunti-ini ino, Murkomen ahithuritie na kuga nyingi ciacio iraumana na ngucanio cia kimucii, indi agitariria maabithaa aya ni marageria kuiguithania andu na gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho aria maranyitikana magerete ngero ici. Uge wake ukinyitwo mbaru ni gavana wa NYANDARUA KWARIRA.
I have told and I will be telling the chiefs and assistant chiefs, and I've told them elsewhere, these cases cannot be resolved using chief's baraza. These are people to be arrested and taken to court of law.
Our headquarters was left the other side in Laikipia. So you find even most of your senior staff still live in Nyahururu. So as you be considering the budget kindly, we've already given them land. Like the commissioner residence, we have land. Also the security guys. So we would wish that you can provide accommodation for them so that we are here throughout, even at night, so that when issues occur, we will be able to handle them together.
Ihinda-ini riu akinyariirie wihotori wa thirikari mihango-ini ya kuhurana na wendia wa njohi na dawa cia kurevya. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma OLKALOU kaunti-ini ya NYANDARUA, nie njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa WIRA.
Gari ya waziri ndio hiyo.